Hey everyone, I'm here today to break down the Southern African Development Community's or SADC's plan to resolve the election dispute in Zimbabwe. This is a topic that's not only crucial for the region but has implications for democratic processes globally. So what's going on? Zimbabwe recently found itself in a heated election dispute. Allegations of electoral fraud and misconduct have thrown the nation into a state of uncertainty. With tensions running high, SADC has stepped in to mediate and ensure the integrity of the election process. Let's dive into what that means. First up, why SADC? Well, SADC is a regional organization comprising 16 member countries, including Zimbabwe. It aims to promote sustainable and equitable economic growth and socio-economic development. So, when a member state faces a crisis, especially one that could destabilize the region, SADC is ideally positioned to intervene. SADC's plan involves several key steps. The first is to deploy a team of mediators to Zimbabwe. These aren't just any mediators. They're experts in political and electoral processes, drawn from countries within the SADC that have a history of peaceful elections. Their job? To assess the situation impartially and propose solutions that all parties can agree on. Next, there's the monitoring component. SADC plans to monitor the situation closely, ensuring that all parties involved adhere to the agreed-upon processes. This includes overseeing any recounts or re-elections, should they be necessary. It's all about transparency and accountability, but here's the kicker. SADC is also emphasizing the importance of dialogue. They're setting up platforms for dialogue between the disputing parties, fostering a spirit of cooperation and mutual understanding. It's not just about solving this dispute, it's about setting a precedent for how future disagreements are handled. What does all this mean for Zimbabwe and the broader region? Well, if successful, SADC's intervention could not only resolve the current crisis, but also strengthen democratic institutions in Zimbabwe and potentially serve as a model for other regions facing similar challenges. It's a bold plan and the world is watching. That's it for today's breakdown. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more insights into complex political situations. See you next time.